Are you going to buy a tool belt but don't know what you should do to find the best tool belt? Here is some basic information that you need to know before buying your tool belt. Material. First, you should know which tool belt material is the best. There is no right answer to this question. The material you finally select is the one that will ultimately provide the best solution for your individual needs. Generally, oil tan leather is recognized as one of the best materials that can be sewed to create tool belts. The reason is that this material is quite strong, durable and reliable. Another material that can be included in the list is nylon. This material does not compromise with your comfort. Belt tools that are made with this kind of material are more likely to be inexpensive and affordable to everyone. When you purchase a tool belt, an important factor that you should also take into consideration is the ability of the material to absorb moisture. This can be a great addition to your comfort level. Adjustable fits. It is crucial that you purchase the belt that best fits your needs. Ideally, it is a great idea to find a product that is adjustable and allows for customization when it comes to the user's size. With these adjustable waist holders, the belt can fit anyone out there, no matter what size you are. You can also wear them on thick or thin clothes, it doesn't matter as long as you firmly secure it on your waist. Design. Design is not just color or shape, it is much more than that. Design is size, lightweight, number of pockets, schedule of it, the existence of back support, etc. Without adequate design, you will not have comfort. Cost. If it is solving your problem, money can't buy it. It is priceless, then. Pockets. Consider the amount of pocket and hooks that you need for the tools that you use the most, and then see if you can find one that fits your needs. If you tend to work on different jobs that require different sets of tools, this may be an option worth considering. Some important facts. Fasteners should be rigid and strong enough to grasp all your tools. Tools should be adapted to the right size. Don't try to push and force a big size tool in small pockets. Make sure to distribute your tools in an even way all around your waist. This will cause less stress spread around your upper body. Tools that are used mostly all the time should be on our hand and practical side. This factor is important because this doesn't only save you time, but it also helps to fasten your work pace.